Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that actually was added this week when we had the Windows 11 update for bug fixes, Microsoft has quietly pushed a new feature. And if you go into your settings, and if you do have a Microsoft account, by the way, go into settings and go into accounts, you will see that there is your Microsoft account, subscription, rewards, and more that you can click. And you now have your account information and subscription information of what you have and what you're using. So this is kind of interesting because this was not there before that update. It is interesting that they kind of not really talked about much of what the update is adding, although they do talk about the bug fixes and a little bit of, some will say that some features might have been added. This was not really mentioned until people started going into their account information and see all of the details. So this is very interesting to see that they've updated this information for the account information that you might have. So if you have, subscriptions with Microsoft, like I have my subscription for Microsoft 365, if you have, reward points and stuff like that, all of that information is here. You have your payment options, your order history of Microsoft services and products, your account and billing help if you need help. So, and of course, you have the possibility to see all the benefits of your subscription, which brings you to the Microsoft page with all the information about it. So this is kind of interesting to see, and you have a page here that also brings you to all the subscription you might have. This shows you only the Microsoft subscriptions that you might have regarding either Windows or some of the services. But you also might have, I have a subscription for the, of course, Xbox Game Pass for PC. So that does not show here, but it would be interesting if they really added all your accounts and all your information here in subscriptions. So this new page is available if you have updated with the latest bug fixes on Windows 11 and you have a Microsoft account. Well, now you can actually go to the settings, go into account on the left side, and then go into your Microsoft account. And you have all the information about your subscription, the OneDrive space that you have, and so on. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.